Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location. Begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for the location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to it to enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!